Hello everyone, welcome back once again in this video, and this is Masum. So how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So in this video I am going to discuss that how you can start English speaking with zero. So before going to the main crux, let's subscribe this channel, like this video, and let me know in the comment section in which topic next time you want me to make a video. So the main topic is that if you want to know how to speak in English, then you must know that what is the sentence formation. If you want to format a sentence, if you want to make a sentence, then you should know that what is the sentence formation, how a word made, how a sentence made, and how about the paragraph. That means if you don't know words, if you don't know sentence, if you don't know words, then how you can make a sentence? If you don't know sentence formation, then how you can make a paragraph? Then how can you speak in English? So that is why you must first know that about the words. First try to learn new words, small words, then improve your words, your vocabulary. You can learn celebrity words from the starting to the from the beginning to the highest level. Okay, first learn the new words, then try to learn new sentences, how to make a sentence. If you are already expert that how to make a sentence, that this step is easy for you. So after making a sentence, try to learn how to make a paragraph. That means what you want to say towards someone, what you want to say to someone. Here your expression also matters, your stress also matters, your sounds also matters, your pronunciation also matters. So obviously you can apply the baby method. That means a child, a baby, how it can learn any language. That means English is not a subject, it's a language like your mother tongue. So how you learned your mother tongue, similarly this step also here, the English is same. You just need to focus on your goal. You just need to do practice. Look at me. How do I practice? Look, this place only. This is a deserted place. There is no one here except me. So you must spend time in your English. You must spend a day at least 10 to 15 minutes to improve your English speaking. You know that no pain, no gains. And success, any success will never come overnight. Here I am going to share one more topic, is that if you watch anything, any content on social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, anywhere, okay, just try to watch them, just try to listen to them in English. Okay, for example, if you are listening to a music, then try to listen to that kind of music which is in English version. If you are watching a movie, if you are watching a web series, then try to watch that kind of movies in English by dubbing it, or by using subtitle. Yeah, must use subtitle, because subtitles are the most important thing if you want to improve your English. Try to watch news, because from news you can learn new words. Try to read newspaper. Just apply the formula like listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Like listen anything in English and try to read any newspaper, anything, whatever you will see, just try to read it out, and try to write down everything, the words that you randomly forget. Try to write down the words that you often forget. Try to write down that, and after try to use that kind of words, that kind of sentences, phrases, everything in your English to enhance your English. English is not a rocket science, it's just a language. You just need to focus, okay, because every performer, every best performer, each and every person who is in the at the highest level was a beginner. An ocean created by itself with a drop of rain too. Again, I want to share one more thing, is that one more topic is that here now in these days we have so many social media apps like AI apps. So you can take advantage of those AI apps, like we have Gemini, ChatGPT, Cloud, etc, etc. You don't need any partner to improve your English. Just go to the ChatGPT or Gemini app and just use the voice pattern, the voice option, and try to speak with them, because no one will judge you there. You will speak like a broken language and they will correct you, that how you can improve your English, how you can pronounce the words, how you can format any sentence. And this mobile phone is your best partner. This mobile phone is the main partner that you can apply, that you can use to improve your English. If you are an educator, if you are a student, if you are working somewhere, then obviously you can use only English, at least a broken English, at least the simple phrases to improve your English. If you use that kind of simple phrases in your English, obviously it will help you to grow your English, to improve your English. English is everywhere, okay. Even the mobile phone that you are using, that you are watching on YouTube or wherever, this is also in English. So instead of wasting your time, just try to focus on yourself, spend time on yourself, improve yourself to improve your English. I believe that they will obviously come when you will reach at the highest level, you will become a native speaker too. Never forget that ups and downs are the parts of our life. So you will sometimes you will fed up, sometimes you will feel energetic. So try to adjust everything, try to take advantage from everything. Motivated, try to motivate someone, try to motivate yourself by watching motivational videos or contents. So guys, I think enough for this video, in this video. So if you find out this video at least a little bit helpful, then my request is that please do subscribe the channel, like this video, and comment on this video, share this video to friends and family, and help them to learn English speaking. So till then, thanks for watching. Jai Hind, bye bye.